Hygiene is the first step. Precision starts here.
The transformation begins. Every process begins with pure water.
Impurities settle before the next stage.
Precision keeps everything consistent.
Now it's ready for processing.
The transformation starts with controlled softening. Pressure changes everything. Precision begins here. Only the best move forward. Chemical conditioning begins the refinement.
Uniform treatment is critical. Human precision ensures quality. Ready for final transformation.
Heat prepares the material for shaping. Pressure transforms structure. Precision defines quality.
The final form is coming.
Precision shaping begins. Smoothness defines perfection.
Craft meets machine precision.
Ready for final refinement. This is where shine is born.
Perfection at the microscopic level. Only the flawless move forward. Protection meets elegance.
Enhanced for strength and longevity. Dried to perfection and
Cut with absolute precision. Where raw material becomes value. Only perfection passes. Marked for the global market. Packaged with precision. Ready for distribution. From factory to the world. Moving at industrial speed. Scale beyond imagination. Ready to hit the road. From raw horn to refined perfection. And this is how modern factories produce white bullhorn products from
innovation meets tradition. Delivered worldwide.
The future of sustainable materials.
Subscribe my channel.